video. Today we're going to be making out of the complete cookbook for young chefs. We're going to be making some strawberry cream paletas. Put that back over there. What we're going to need is we're going to need 3.5 cups of strawberries whole. That means like we're gonna have them without the top, the stem, like this, kind of like this. We're gonna have 1/2 cup of heavy cream right here, and we're gonna have 1/4 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to chop the strawberry. I'm going to show you how to chop the strawberries. So what you're going to do is the stem right here, this is the stem. You're going to cut it right here, right there. Oh, can you see that right there? So you're gonna do that and just chop right down, nothing fancy, and then it looks like that. Alright, pretty easy. So now we're gonna chop a couple more. Okay, and there we go. You know what, actually I'm gonna take that one back off. That's 1 cup. This is 1 cup. So now we're gonna pour that into our bowl. There we go. Now we're going to do another cup. Use this pretty big one. Alright, there we go. So now I have 2 cups. Things like this one. And so I'm going to put this here. So now we're going to put the cream and 1/2 of strawberries. We're going to put 2 cups of strawberries in our processor. Please don't spill. There we go. Okay, and now we're going to put our heavy cream in there. Uh-oh. Go. My heavy cream looks a little different because I had to do a substitution of milk and butter, so that's why it kind of looks a little different. Put that there. Now we're gonna put our honey. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, it's just sinking down there. Then hours later. Just be patient. Oh. Now we're gonna put our lemon juice in here. And now we're gonna put our salt in. And put this on here. Now we're gonna put our lid back. They're on there. Come on, get in there. Oh man. Okay, finally. How do you work this? Okay, hold on. How do we open this back? I don't think I have the lid on right. Uh-oh. Okay. It's good? Okay. Now we're gonna process the mixture for about 20 seconds. So So now we're going to take this off. If I can do this, if I can do it. Wait, oh yeah. Oh. Now we're gonna add the rest of the strawberries that we are going to chop up into the food processor or the blender. Okay. So now I'm gonna go get it. Okay. Put the knife here. Plop. Okay. Now we're gonna add, now that we've added our strawberries, now we're going to, if I can get this on. Why is it so difficult to get the thing on? Gosh. So now we're gonna pulse the thing for about, we're gonna do that thing for about 5 seconds. 5 times, so. DJ Mason. Alright. So now we're going to, alright, there we go, much better. So now we have our popsicle whatchamacallits. So, and now we're going to pour this in here, divide it evenly, yeah. Okay, that's one. I feel like I put it a little wrong. Concentration right now. So serious. Okay. Okay, so now that we've got that done, okay, so now I'm gonna put this here. I hope this is the right way. I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, go. Okay. 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 All right. So now you want to. So now you want to. Oh. I'm trying to do it, okay? Don't judge me. So now you wanna freeze it up for about. So now you wanna freeze it for about up to 6 hours. 6 hours. Count my hands. Okay. So now you wanna freeze it for about 6 hours. So now you wanna freeze it for about 6 hours. So we're just gonna pop it in the freezer. So we're gonna pop it in. So we're gonna pop it in the So we're gonna pop it in the freezer, and we're gonna see you guys in 6 hours. Probably not, but we'll see you guys later. So now we're going to see you guys in a little bit. So it's the next day. We decided to freeze them overnight. And I have my little brother here to help us taste them. Alright, so let's have a taste. If I can open it.
You just gotta open it with your mouth.
Hey. Oh wow, it's really good.
I just want to eat it all because it's just so good.
Well, that's how you make.
Paletas.
Well, that's how you make paletas. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, wait, hold on. Thank you for watching. Wait, no. Thank you for watching. See you in a little. We're going to insert ones. I didn't read it. What?
Is this your confession time?
Okay, yeah. I didn't even read this.
Everything, all you have to do is put the lid on now.